No one can imagine the size and magnitude of the problem in Kashmir. Yes, my lord. No one can imagine the troubles of people in Kashmir because we are just spectators. Spectators, we are for having nothing. Spectators, we are for having no courage because we can do nothing. Spectators, we are for what is being done in Kashmir, and still there is no one. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Let me give a few words to the heart-rending silence of Kashmir, an unclaimed body abandoned mercilessly in the bleed alley of this dark city. Oh God, could anybody come forward and help me out? Sisters must have looked around. Mothers must have waited at doors. And old fathers must have gave around. A Kashmiri is battered and brutally. An unclaimed body abandoned mercilessly. In Kashmir, 70 years ago on that day, India landed its army at Srinagar airport to occupy Kashmir. Kashmir is famous for its beautiful natural scenery throughout the world. It is also known for agriculture profession, a profession beyond the world make Kashmir a paradise. यारानी जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, यारानी जहाँ कहते हैं कश्मीर है जन्नत, जन्नत किसी काफिर को मिली है न मिलेगी. The abundance of natural beauty has formed the paradise. The flowing rivers and charming gardens makes Kashmir a paradise. It is not a paradise anymore, but it's a hell. Oh Kashmir, I feel sorry for you. I would like to end with this. बड़ी उदास है वादी, गला दबाया हुआ है. बड़ी उदास है वादी, गला दबाया हुआ है. ये सांस लेती है लेकिन ले न सके. दरख्त उगते हैं यहाँ पर सोच सोच कर जैसे. दरख्त उगते हैं यहाँ पर सोच सोच कर जैसे. जो सर उठाएगा पहले वही कलम होगा. न मैं जन्नत की कोई तस्वीर हूँ, न मैं बुजुर्गों के ख्वाबों की ताबीर हूँ. जिसको मिलकर की सदियों से लूटा गया, मैं वो उजड़ी हुई एक जागीर हूँ. हाँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ, हाँ मैं कश्मीर हूँ. थैंक यू.